Welcome to Chart Traders. Today we will see one trading setup that is based on different type of algorithm and price action. So let's get started. So just name is given is SMI and ATR with ADX and MA. So this one indicator I am going to use SMI, ADX, moving average, price action and ATR trailing stop loss. Start type is candlestick, 5-minute time frame, and the strategy is the sell strategy. So when to sell? When stochastic momentum indicator crossover happen. So this is your main condition or trigger point we can say. And remaining all are supporting, means if the close is lower than ATR trailing stop loss, close is lower than moving average, and close is lower than previous three candle and each candle of 5 minutes. Okay, so close is lower than 15-minute low, and we are going to check the ATX is lower than 25, means trend is not the strand of the trend is not strong, but it might be possible in future it is going to strong. So that's why we have taken lower than 25. Okay, so when to buy? Stochastic momentum crossover, stop loss 0.5 and the target is 1 percentile. So let's see on a chart. So here on a full, okay, at this point see close is lower than moving average, yes or no? Stochastic momentum crossover happen in this candle. Okay, crossover happen, ADX less than 25, close below your moving average and close below your ATR trailing stop loss. So this is our entry candle and we can see a profit. Okay, now in order to check the accuracy and the performance of our algorithm, I am going to use streak. If you don't know what is streak, just watch out my video introduction to streak and streak parameter. The link is given below in the description box. Okay, now I am going to apply on Nifty future. On a 5-minute chart, I want to sell and one lot. Okay, what is our condition to sell? That is stochastic percentile K crosses below the percentile D. Okay, that is our trigger point. When this happen, then this four condition we have to check. If close is lower than ATR trailing stop loss 37, close is lower than previous three candle and each candle of 5 minutes. Okay, so close is lower than last 15 minute, we can say close is lower than moving average 20, because that confirmed the trend is in downtrend, and ADX is lower than 25, means trend is not still strong now it is become strong once it cross 25. What is exit condition? As it is stochastic movement percentile K crosses above your percentile D. Okay, what is stop loss? 0.5 and target is 1. So 0.5 or this one, whichever earlier happened, that will our exit point, and target is 1 percentile. Okay, because I have used this exit condition in order to avoid if you have a profit, okay, and this momentum this crossover happen, you can exit before 1 percentile. Okay, so that's why I have added this exit condition. Now 9 a.m. okay, exit point stop time 12 p.m. candlestick chart and MIS. Just give your name, save and backtest. So it is going to apply from 25th to 24th May on a Nifty May future, so 3 month. Now we can see here 46 signals are generated in a 3 months, very less compared to other trading setup. 30 percentile wins, so we can say it is a 61 or 60 percentile accuracy. Okay, and the profit is around 1 lakh. If you remove the brokerage, then profit is 1 lakh 8,000. Okay, so sorry, 1 lakh 1,000, so around 825. Okay, even your account does not contain in lower side. Okay, so it might be possible last 3 months we have a selling point, that's why, but it's a good. DD is also less than 1.5. Continuous winning streak 7, continuous losing streak 3. So after 3 signal, fourth one is profitable. After 7 win, 8 is loss. So you can see even maximum gain is around 8490, maximum loss is around minus 3465. Okay, and your average gain is 4777 and average trade is minus 1917. Now if you are going to see, you can see the transaction history also, that trade happened. So on a 22nd May, okay, around 12 o'clock sell happened. Just we will see on a 22nd May around 12 o'clock. So this is your candle around 12 o'clock. Okay, now we will analyze the condition. Okay, closes below this moving average, 20-day moving average, that is a black line. This is your ATR line, so closes below the ATR line. And now most important, this crossover happen here. Okay, and ADR is also less than 20. So all condition satisfied. Okay, so what is exit entry point and timing? 12 o'clock, sell 8978. So 12 o'clock, 8978 here. Okay, this crossover happen, so it is going to sell here. Okay, 8978. Then we have a movement up to this point. Okay, so all conditions satisfied, then it is going to sell. Okay, even you can see one more losing trade also. Okay, on a 7 May, entry is 1020 9217 1020. So 1020 here. Okay, 9217 here we are going to sell. Crossover happen, ADX less than and ATR also less than. Then we have a further movement, down movement, but after that 1 percentile not achieved and go up and stop loss trigger. So what is exit point? That is around 7 May, sorry, 925. We will say 925. Okay, also all are stop loss. So on a here also around 11 we have a profit. 950 exit point from 925 to, so this is 925 to, and then movement up. Okay, so at this point we are selling but go up, stop loss trigger. Okay, again here we are selling, stop loss trigger, again we are here selling when the crossover happened and we have achieved some profit. Okay, so this strategy contain generate also fake signals, but compared to other it's less and accuracy is also good. Now once you sure that your algorithm give good performance, you can deploy live. Now in order to deploy live, just click here and deploy all. So it is going to ask quantity, one quantity, strategy live for 1 week, cycle duration means per day 5 trades, order type MIS or CNC. MIS means intraday square off, variety you can go for regular or bracket regular. Now whenever you are going to apply paper trading, it's like your virtual trading. No trade happen in your trading account. In a streak we can see in a log buy time, buy price, sell time, sell price. So no trade will happen in your trading account. But once you make take live, okay, so it is going to match buying condition. Once buying condition achieved, okay, notification given. In a notification you have to here click on a buy, because buy and sell is manual. Okay, for retailer people algo trading is not allowed, so it's risky, so they are just generating buy and sell signal. You have to click manually. Okay, so here at this point a buy, you have to click on a buy, or sell, you have to click on a sell. Okay, so that is one manual task in this. In means with the help of streak, it generates on a signal, you have to buy and click, that is a manual task. Okay, now we have already seen some strategy. Here in strategy, once it is live we cannot change. Okay, so just before go to, and here you have to stop. Okay, once you stop, now you can modify your strategy. When you apply for paper trading, okay, we can see here in, and once trade and happen, you can see in enter point buy, sell price, all the stuffs here. Okay, and waiting means trigger not happen. Once enter means trigger happen, you can see here. So just explore the streak. I have already tested so many setups. I have already tested all the indicator, performance of the indicator and the accuracy of indicator. If you want to watch out those videos, the link is given below in the description box. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, share with others. Thank you.